Hi, my name is Stella and I am a past student of the Great Dynamic Online Tutorial. I'm making this video to tell you about the wonderful encounter I had while I was a DOT student and why I'm also imploring you to take this great opportunity and be part of this wonderful family. Before I joined DOT, I did JAMB once and I had the score of 298, so I lost all hopes. I couldn't bring myself to keep studying. All my determination way bad. But joining Dynamic Online Tutorial, guess what? I emerged part of the top best students with a score of 338. That is like 30 plus marks, not just a tutorial. It is a family. It is what? It is a ministry that shapes life, that changes destiny, and that brings out the greatest potential that you have. I'm imploring you to take this wonderful opportunity and be part of the wonderful DOT family. Join DOT now and don't miss out.